Hi everybody, and welcome back to my latest site arrival video, which this week features the Brora Caravan and Motorhome Club site located just off the A9 on the east coast of the Highlands of Scotland. And this time I need to say thanks to Graham for getting the footage for this one. Now, coverage starts on the A9. In this case we're heading north, so we've passed through Brora and our first turning is coming up. It's to the right and it's indicated by a brown tourist sign. It's 1.5 miles from the centre of Brora. Once you've made the turn, follow the road for 300 metres till you reach the T-junction at the end. As you can see, it gets pretty narrow in places, particularly across the bridge, so watch for oncoming traffic. At the T-junction here, turn left. As you see, once again the road is quite narrow. Once you've made the turn, the entrance to the site will be on your right within 150 metres. The site has just 54 pitches. Non-members are welcome, although sadly they do not accept tents. Normally open from the third week in March until the beginning of November. The site is 60 miles from Inverness and 61 miles from John O'Groats. Thanks once again to Graham for the footage and to you two for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.